Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaica Insider. So we're back on the road. Do you know where I'm going? How many of you recognize this road? Let me know. Anyway, so I'm actually heading to Port Royal right now. Not going to the airport. Heading to Port Royal to see what's going on over there. Stick and stay with me. So our first stop is Fort Rocky. Let's see what it's like. Well, as you can see, there's not much going on. The plan is to turn this into an entertainment zone where events such as parties, functions, music festivals will be held, as there are not many places like that for Kingston. To the right is the Port Royal Pier. This is where Port Royal welcomed its first cruise ship, the Marella 2, in January 2020. Passing the Port Royal Primary School on our left. As you can see, Port Royal is still under development. The old city is still being developed. So we have to keep an eye on this space. Jamaican Insider will definitely update you on the new changes as they are made. Alright, let's try something new. Let's take this right turn and see where it leads. So this is where you'll come if you'd like to charter a yacht or to rent a kayak, as you can see by the sign. Let's go and check it out. So this one is the Marine Blue, and it is available for a charter for 3 hours for $1,700, $1,700 US that is, for 3 hours. And they can accommodate up to 30 persons. And now we're finally entering Port Royal. So right now we're at the entrance of Fort Charles, but due to the special thing that has been going around, we are not able to go inside. Unfortunately, they are closed for the time being. So as soon as we're able to go inside, I'll be sure to come back and show you guys around. But we can still appreciate the artifacts on display here. I'm somewhat disappointed, but hey, the journey must continue. Off we go. Other than old buildings and cannonballs, Port Royal is also known for seafood. One special restaurant here is the Gloria's restaurant. They also have one in downtown Kingston, but this is the original. The food here is known to be the best. The ambience is so, as you can see, there are quite a few buildings nearby with the different wires that are blocking the view, if you ask me. But still, we can appreciate it nonetheless. There's a police station right here. Now let me just show you what it looks like on the inside here at Gloria's. There is also space outside for persons to dine. So I've ordered brown stew fish along with bami and festival. Usually we would have either bami or festival. I couldn't choose, so I chose both of them. Am I wrong? Comment in the comment section. Let me know which one would you have chosen, the bami or the festival. Which one do you think goes well with brown stew fish? So there are so many things that we could normally do in Port Royal, but due to the special thing that's going around, most of those places are actually closed. Luckily, Gloria's is open, so we can still come and have some fish, some seafood, and live a little. I promise though, I will be back to show you around, to show you more of the activities that we can do here in Port Royal as soon as things are better. So until next time, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave us a like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Thank you.